Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. Today we have an install video for you, but this one is actually on my father-in-law's 2023 Toyota Tacoma. We were talking a couple weeks back and he said he wanted to add a pop and lock power tailgate option to his Toyota Tacoma. So I saw a great opportunity there. I ended up reaching out to Pop and Lock and asked if they wanted to work together on this video to not only help out my father-in-law get this item on his truck, but to also show you guys some of the pop and lock options they have on their website and how easy it is to install. If you've been around the Toyota Tacoma or the Toyota Tundra for a long time, older generations, most likely you already know and probably have the pop and lock feature on your truck because, as you know, the older generation Toyota Tacomas and Toyota Tundras, the only way to lock your tailgate is with the physical key. Well, today you're going to see just how easy it is to install so you have the key fob to use from now on with this pop and lock. So when you lock and unlock your doors, it lock and unlocks your tailgate. So let me show you the quick install video with my father-in-law, and then we'll come back and talk about the price and some of the details. So here is the pop and lock option that we just put on my father-in-law's 2023 Toyota Tacoma. This particular setup is for the 16 to 23 Tacoma, and it cost $162.95. And some of the product features: automatically locks tailgate when power doors are locked, mounts inside the tailgate hidden from view, comes with plug-and-play T-harness, plugs directly into OEM wire harness for easy install, loomed wires with heat-resistant fabric tape, OEM-style connectors that reduce the number of wire-to-wire connections. As you saw, we also installed the Gate Defender. Pop and Lock sent that as well. $34.95. The Gate Defender is a universal tailgate lock designed to fit any truck to prevent tailgate theft. Similar to design as a padlock, the Gate Defender fits around the passenger side tailgate hinge and locks the tailgate to the truck. Once locked into place, the tailgate can easily open and close, but cannot be removed. As tailgate thefts are on the rise, the Gate Defender is a terrific, low-cost option to help prevent your tailgate from being stolen. Installs in seconds with no special tools required. Includes a set of keys for easy removal. If you are an owner of an older generation Toyota Tacoma or an older generation Toyota Tundra, check out the website down in the description below. They have a lot of options for your vehicle. A lot of people for years, before these new generations came out, have always complained that you couldn't lock and unlock the tailgate with the key fob. Well, here's an easy way to do it, a cheap way to do it, and a quick install. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a great day. Be safe, be well, and thank you to Pop and Lock for being involved in this video.